All right, my loves, listen up. The cosmic party bus is pulling up to the next stop, and this time we're trading in the flashy look at me energy of Leo for something a little more practical. That's right, Virgo season is here, arriving on August 22nd. And if you've been feeling like a hot mess after Leo's dramatic antics, well, you're not alone. The universe is basically telling us all to go home, clean up our rooms, and maybe, just maybe, figure out how to do our laundry without shrinking every single thing we own. That thing, cultivating authentic service. Remember all that roaring and basking in the spotlight during Leo season? Good, because now it's the time to take that big, beautiful dream and actually get to work. Virgo energy isn't about the grand performance. It's about the nitty-gritty behind the scenes work that makes the magic happen. Think of it as the cosmic editing room. All those big ideas and bold visions, now we get to refine them, chop out the fluff, and turn them into something real and tangible. You don't need a perfectly detailed 50-point plan right now. You just need to come back to what's real. The earth under your feet, the food you eat, the small habits that shape your day. It's time to ask yourself, where the heck is my energy even going? And more importantly, does this daily grind actually reflect what I give a damn about? This is the season for building a solid foundation, not just talking about laying bricks. The universe is handing you a cosmic decluttering kit, and it's not just for the junk drawer. Virgo season invites you to simplify, simplify, simplify. It's time to look at what's hogging space in your mind, your schedule, and even your body. That old thought pattern that's been on repeat since 2018. The 27 apps on your phone you haven't opened in a year. That one friend who only calls when they need something. Bless and release, my darlings. This isn't about being a harsh minimalist. It's about making room for peace. Even the most subtle shifts count. You don't need to Marie Kondo your entire life in one weekend. Start with one drawer, one habit, one single thought that brings you down. Let clarity come through doing. Trust me, the small acts of maintenance are where the big transformations secretly begin. You may not know this, but Virgo is all about the digestive system. No, seriously. On an astrological level, this means more than just a happy tummy. It's about how we process information, feelings, and life experiences. If you've been feeling scattered, overwhelmed, or just blah, that's not weakness, honey. That's feedback. Your system is telling you it's been running on fumes and needs a break. Time to build some rituals that actually support your nervous system. Drink some water. Put the phone down at 8 p.m. for crying out loud. Eat food that makes you feel grounded instead of just buzzing. This season is your permission slip to reset your rhythm from the inside out. But here's a word of caution, my friend. Virgo's gift for discernment can quickly turn into a pressure cooker to get everything right. You know that inner critic, the one that's always pointing out flaws and telling you you're not good enough? That voice thinks it's helping you, but most of the time it's just draining your battery. This season is about choosing participation over perfectionism. Don't wait until you feel ready or perfect. Start where you are. Messy beginnings are still beginnings, and they're often the most authentic. You don't have to fix everything. You just need to keep choosing what feels aligned with your truth. Mark your calendars because August 23rd brings a Virgo new moon. This isn't the loud, flashy, I'm gonna change my whole life type of new beginning. It's the quiet, deeply personal one that takes root in your routines. It's the early morning decisions to show up for yourself, even when no one is watching. This is the moment to set intentions that support your well-being, not just your productivity. Remember, discipline doesn't have to be a punishment. When done with care and intention, it becomes a form of devotion, a promise you keep to yourself. As we move forward through this beautiful grounding season, don't worry about how to be perfect. Instead, ask yourself, what would it look like to be honest with myself? Let this season be where you show up, not just for your goals, but for yourself. Keep it simple. Keep it steady.